Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. I am very thankful and grateful for your support. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This reading is not your personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. It's because this reading is not for all Scorpios. For some of you guys, it could not be your story and it could not be your energy. So please use your own discernment. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What do Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. I would like to remind you guys that the energy of this reading could be reversal. It could be that this is your energy towards that person you are dealing with, or this is the energy of this person towards on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. If this is not your energy, don't try to pitch your story, okay? Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What the Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, business, and studies? Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Give me that accurate and clear reading for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today. Let me see your energy in this reading. First, we have the Moon. This is the major arcana number 18. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 18. You could be born on the 18th of the month, or there is a major thing will happen on you on the 18th of the month. This could also be an exposure, or somebody here is going to reveal their feelings towards on you. I don't know what this is all about. It could also be that this is the exposure of all the things hidden in the dark. Those people who are doing trickery, manipulation, and lies on you behind the moon, behind the scenes, are now exposed. This could be a major exposure because the truth comes to light and everything is illuminated, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be that you are dealing with either a Cancer or a Pisces. Not necessary, could also be any other sign. And their lies, trickery, and manipulations are now exposed. Take only what fits in your story. The universe advises you to listen to your intuition, to pay attention to your dreams. It could also be that you are going to see this person in your dreams. And also, pay attention to the synchronicities. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Let me see your present energy. We have here the shadow side. This is major arcana number 15. The shadow side is, this is the Judgment. For some of you guys, sorry, the Devil. For some of you guys, it could be that you are dealing with either a Capricorn, or you have a Capricorn in your birth chart for some of you, or you are dealing with Cancer, Pisces, Capricorn, or you have Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces in your birth chart. I don't know what this is all about. It could also be that these are the group of people who are doing shady things behind the moon. Could also be that they involves you to a cast spells, black magic, or they engage you to a practitioner. I don't know what this is all about. All their tricks, manipulation, and lies, the illusions come out. This could be a major exposure of all the things they have done to you behind the dark. This could be Capricorn involved, Pisces, and or Cancer. I don't know what this is all about. Or it could also be that you are dealing with toxic narcissist person, not necessary Capricorn, not necessary Cancer or Pisces. Could be that you are dealing with person who is egotistical, a person who is having a mental disorder, obsessed on you because of jealousy and envy. It could also be that this person is mad on you for whatever reason. If you have nothing to do with them, if you are innocent, it's because of jealousy and envy. Whether you like it or not, Scorpio, you are one of the most intimidating sign in the zodiac. Even if you are kind to them, there are people who are triggered because you are the reflection of their unhealed souls. You are the light. They are triggered with your light. And that's why, for some of you, it could be that you are a chosen one, a spiritual warrior, an earth angel, or you could be having a mission to this world. And that's why you meet this person or group of people. It could also be that there is a reason to awaken their unhealed souls, or it could also be that both of you learning a lesson from this situation. And now everything comes out. Whatever they have done to you behind the scenes. For some of you guys, you already knew, but you are waiting this person to tell you. You know why? Because you are one of the most intuitive sign in the zodiac. You can perceive the things, especially if the people or a person is shady on you. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, could be that you are dealing with a person who is strongly obsessed on you, jealous, mad, narcissist, manipulative. Could be that this person also engaged you to a third-party situation. Could also be that they tried to control your life, and now they are losing power to control you because everything comes to light. Could be a Capricorn, a Pisces, or a Cancer involved in the situation. Take only what fits in your story, and the future is the Seven of Cups. This is a water sign energy like you, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. For some of you guys, I feel like this person or group of people now are visualizing because they are confused. Whatever they have done to you in the past, it didn't work because everything comes into light. Truth always prevails. And now, somebody here is confused. Could also be that these are the group of 7 people. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 7. You could be born on the 7th of the month. For some of you. Or it could be that this is related to your lucky breaks, your lucky number. It could also be that this person, a group of people in the past, tried to keep you inside the box because they are triggered with your lights. They doesn't want you to come out. And now they are feeling trapped and confused because everything exposed. And you look, they are mad and angry because they are losing their power to control you. Could be that you are dealing with a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Capricorn. This is the energy of Pisces, the moon. Pisces and Cancer. You look, they doesn't want you to come out because they are triggered. They knew that you have something inside that they don't have and they couldn't have. And that's why they are triggered. Without any reason, they are intimidated by you. This person or group of people are now visualizing. It could also be that they are procrastinating, that you are going to be vulnerable to them once again. All they can do is to daydream and fantasize on you because you have no more access with this person or group of people. Because of the truth comes out of what they have done to you in the past. You look, everything illuminated. And I feel like this person or group of people are now confused. Why their plan didn't work against you. Could also that this is a new person. Could be that you are attracting a fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. Could be that this person viewed you that you have lots of options. For some of you guys, this is your energy. Of course, you have lots of options and you are advised to listen to your intuition. This could be related to your job, love life. I don't know what this is all about. You have lots of options and you are advised to listen to your inner voice. Because it could be sometimes an illusion. That's why the universe advised you to listen to your intuition, which is the best thing for you. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is the future energy. This person or group of people are now confused because they want to put you in a confusion, because they want to put you in the dark. They doesn't know that the darkness is your major field of transformation. The darkness is part of your field of specialization. In order to enlighten, in order to find the light, you need to deal the darkness. And this person or group of people thought that they already have you. Now they are confused. Could also be that for some of these people, guys, they tried to gaslight you. But I don't think that they succeed. This is the future. They are the one who is confused now, because everything backfires on them. And the outcome of this reading is the 10 of Pentacles. I told you, this is your financial success and stability. This is abundance. This can be passed to the next generation. This could be related to your legacy, to your hard work. Could also that you are going to inherit a lump sum or windfall of money. For some of you, I don't know what this is all about. Others of you, it could also be that this is an early retirement. It could also be that somebody here wants to offer you a gift. I don't know what this is all about, to start a new business. Or it could also be that somebody here is feeling entitled to your financial success and stability. This person could be a Virgo. Could also be a group of 10 people, includes Virgo. Could also be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Remember, in the past, they did everything to confuse you, to mislead your destiny. And they thought that you will not have reached this financial success and stability. It could also be related to an inheritance. I don't know what this is all about. And everything comes out, their secrets, what they have done to you behind the scenes. An exposure and illumination. For some of these people, guys, they tried to hinder your destiny. This could be related to your work, your legacy, your financial success and stability, because of jealousy and envy. If you have nothing to do with them, of course. Please pay attention to number 10. There could be a significant meaning for you. You could be born on the 10th of the month, or This is related to your success and all aspects in your life. Your career, your investment, your business venture. Congratulations. Could also be that this is an inheritance for some of you. You are going to receive this windfall or lump sum of money. If you don't know where it comes from, this is not your reading. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, Father, why? Why the moon in this reading? Tell me more about the moon in this reading, please. Why the moon in this reading for the star sign of Scorpio? Sun, moon, rising, and Venus. Why the moon in this reading? Please tell me more. It is clarified as bonding, sensual, confiding, intimacy. Oh my gosh. This person could be Cancer or Pisces. Could also be that they are keeping secrets on you. Maybe they told to other people, oh, I have an intimacy with Scorpio. Scorpio and I having, you know what I mean. And they are fabricating lies against you. That I have with Scorpio in this room. That Scorpio and me are the partners like this, like that. And everything comes into light because truth always prevails. It could also be that whatever they have done on you in the past, everything exposed. It could also be this is related to a relationship. Could also be that they accuse you that you are having multiple partners. I don't know what this is all about. But everything is exposed because truth always prevails. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, clarify me, Father, why? Why the moon in this reading, please? Why the moon? Oh my gosh. Why the moon? Why the moon in this reading? Oh my gosh. Why the moon here? Please tell me more about the moon in this reading. It is clarified as the father. The father. Could be a matured father figure is involved, or you could be the matured father figure. Could also be that this is, you are dealing with your son. You could also be the son and you are dealing with your father. I don't know what this is all about. There could be a relationship between the son and a father here, which is related to this exposure, the major exposure. Everything comes into light because somebody is accusing you that you have multiple partners. Somebody is accusing you that you are sleeping with different partners. I don't know what this is all about. Or somebody accusing you that, oh, this person said, oh, I sleep with Scorpio and something like this, something like that. There could be a fabricated story they have done on you and everything exposed because truth comes into light. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And your present energy is the devil. This is the shadow side. Clarify me, Father, why the devil in this reading? Why the shadow side? Tell me more. It is clarified as Veshet Sidani Gifuli. You are advised here to acknowledge your feelings, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You are advised here not to engage with this toxicity of this person or group of people because they are mad. They are jealous on you because they couldn't control you. They are losing the power to control you and everything exposed what they have done to you. And now they are mad. They are jealous because they didn't expected that these lies will come out. And that's why you are advised here to acknowledge your feelings. Whatever gossips you are going to hear about this person, that you sleep with different partners or whatsoever, this is related to intimacy. You are advised here to protect your energy, your feelings. Don't react because you knew who you are. The only ones to slander your name, to spread lies and rumors about you because they are jealous on you. They are obsessed on you. For some of these people, guys, they said that they hate you, but the truth, they are watching you like a hawk 24 hours. Maybe through your social media, could also be outside your home. They are spying on you. They are obsessing on you. They couldn't let you go. But they are mad. They are jealous because everything comes into light. Whatever they have done on you, expose. And the universe advises you to acknowledge your feelings. Of course, you don't need to argue or to engage with these toxic people. Could also be that this person is having a mental disorder. Could also be that they engage you to a third-party situation and now they are obsessing on you. But that's not your problem. You are advised to acknowledge your feelings because they hurt you so many times. And it's time for you to acknowledge your feelings to protect your energy. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the shadow side here? Tell me more. Why the shadow side here, please? For the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is clarified as the visionary. And Aquarius is involved in this situation. Aquarius is involved in this slandering your name, spreading lies and rumors about you, that you have multiple partners, that you are sleeping with maybe different men or different women. And the truth comes out because the truth always prevails, the moon. They viewed you that you have vision. You could be like a visionary. And that's the reason why they are jealous and envy on you. But they are obsessed. They are spying on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, whatever you do. Could be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, a Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer. Double confirmation with Pisces. Because these are the cards come out here. Take only what fits in your story. And your future is the Seven of Cups. Why the Seven of Cups, sir? Please tell me more about the Seven of Cups in this reading. Oh my gosh. Why the Seven of Cups, sir? Please, for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is clarified as releasing, purifying, cleansing, healing. I told you, you already held the trauma, the grudges, the conflict with this person or group of people. For some of you guys, maybe you are on your journey to heal. You are advised to continue your healing journey, to release your feelings with this person. Feeling of guilt, feeling of anger, because it will block your blessings. You need to acknowledge your feelings and release the toxicity of this person or group of people who tried to keep you in the box, who tried to push you in the dark because they doesn't want you to come out. They are triggered with the truth and your lights. Could also that this is in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community, for instance, your neighbors. You are advised to release, to detoxify yourself, to purify and cleanse the negative energy which was sent to you with this person or group of people, because I feel like in the past they involved you to a abracadabra, black magic, witchcraft, cast spells, love spells, and it didn't work. It backfires on them. Now the truth comes to light, and since they sent you negative energy, you are advised to release, to detoxify yourself. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Okay. And clarify me, Father, why? Why the Seven of Cups in this reading, please? The Seven of Cups is clarified as the finance beratiren. There could be a significant meaning for you with a finance advisor. I don't know what this is all about. Or they want to invest you. Because they have seen that you have lots of potential. You have lots of option. Somebody who wants to invest with you. But be very careful, because it could be that this person is going to gaslight you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because this is the future. In the past, this person or group of people put you as an option. They are not valuing your worth of who you are. Now they have seen and they want to invest with you. It could also be that they viewed you that you have too many options, you have too many work, and you are not paying your tax. This could be related to tax evaluation. Somebody here wants to evaluate your tax. I don't know what this is all about. Or you could be a finance advisor, or you are dealing a finance advisor. There could be something significant with tax advisor here or finance advisor. I don't know what this is all about. Could also be that this person is involved in this trickery. This 7 of Cups is, they tried to keep you in the dark. They doesn't want you to come out to know the truth. They doesn't want you to tell the truth. This is the future energy. I don't think that you are confused. I don't think that they can gaslight you, because you have learned your lesson. You look, everything comes into light. And the illumination is real. They are only mad, jealous, angry, because they couldn't control you anymore. They are losing their power to control you, because nobody believes in their lies. Everything exposed. It could also be that they have problems with a tax advisor. I don't know what this is all about. Take only what fits in your story. Could also be that they have problems in finance office. This could be related to tax payments, and they viewed you as an option to help them, when in fact in the past they tried everything to keep you in the dark. Oh my gosh, what kind of people are they? Clarify me, Father, why the 10 of Pentacles here? This is the outcome in this reading. You are going to receive a windfall or lump sum of money. Cheers, cheers, cheers. For some of you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be that you are going to win a lottery ticket. We don't know. Just believe in magic. This is clarified as Bertrand with the rough Alice word good. Believe that everything will be okay. This is the clarification of the 10 of Pentacles. If you are waiting for your inheritance, or if you are waiting for this lump sum of money, for some of you, maybe you have an idea what is this all about. You are advised to believe that it will come. It will come in your favor. It will happen at a divine timing. It could also be that this person who embodied the energy of Virgo are feeling entitled to your financial success and stability. You look, this is also a Virgo energy, the 10 of Pentacles. Or you are dealing with a group of 10 people involves Virgo. And they want to hinder your financial success and stability. This windfall and lump sum of money, that's why they created too much illusion, trickery, manipulation in the past. But you rise though. This is your birthright. To have this financial success and stability, to be abundance, to live abundantly, because the universe knew that you are very kind, compassionate, and generous person, and you deserve it to have this windfall and lump sum of money. Somebody that is feeling entitled could be a Virgo, because this is a Virgo energy, and clarified as, you look, the 10 of Pentacles normally is Virgo energy, and clarified as also Virgo. This is believe that everything will come in a divine timing. Take only what fits in your story. Clarify me, Father, why the 10 of Pentacles in this reading, please? It will come to you, of course. Just think positively. Don't think negative, because this is energy cycle. Believe that everything will be okay and it will be in your favor. You will have this windfall and lump sum of money, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because this is your birthright. It is clarified as, oh sorry guys, it is clarified as the 6th house, and there is also one card here. The 6th house is, this is not only one, there are lots of cards. The 6th house is embodied the energy of a Virgo. I told you, 3 times confirmation with the 10 of Pentacles. Could be that you are dealing with a Virgo. This person could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. Could also be a new person, I don't know. And it is clarified as well as, you look, the same. The 6th house, the Jungfrau is also Virgo. 4 times confirmation. The 6th house is embodied the energy of Virgo, and Jungfrau is a German language which stands for Virgo. Who is eyeing on your money? Who needs your financial support? This could be a money-hungry person. They are mad on you because they couldn't control you. They are losing the power to control you despite of what they have done to you in the past. They did trickery, manipulation, everything, and sabotage. They engage you as well to abracadabra, black magic, and it didn't work because this is not their birthright. They have no right to hinder your destiny because this is given to you by the Divine Most High, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And that's why everything failed. Whatever they did, it backfires on them. And an Aries is involved here, the 1st house. You already healed, and they viewed you as the wounded healer. Everything what they have done to you, because you choose to heal, you choose to be happy, and that's why you are being rewarded with this windfall and or lump sum of money, the 10 of Pentacles. Also involved here is the 8th house, is a fellow Scorpio is also involved here. Could also be that this person is collaborating with this group of people to hinder your financial success and stability. That's why I told you, if you are on the right path, Scorpio, this is your readings. Because there could be a fellow Scorpio here is involved in this trickery, manipulation. You look, and everything exposed. It's because of power hungry, money hungry. That's all. And now they are mad because they are losing the power to control you. Everything exposed. They are feeling entitled to your financial success and stability. But who cares? They are slandered. They slandered your name in the past. They are gossiping about you. They did everything. But it backfires on them. You know why? For some of you guys, you are innocent. For some of you guys, you have nothing to do with them. And that's the reason why it backfires on them. Take only what fits in your story. The energy involved in this reading are Virgo and Aries. Remember, Virgo here is 4 times confirmed. A fellow water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. A Capricorn is involved here as well. That ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you for joining me here once again. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.